And when she ran up, that's like, no, she got one for Thanksgiving when she came back. She had carved for Thanksgiving. Whatever. Okay, and you're right, what I'm saying. And then she just got one for Christmas party. So I guess she get a New Year's with that thing. Look how she said that. That's the funny part. But how can, who would know the connection? You know that's how that. Like I said, who would know that? That's right.
All right. Expert shot.
No, I said my own name. I got sick. That's right. Okay.
Oh, you ain't hear that? You know, Savitra stay in Atlanta. I told you that, didn't I?
We got Stacy Jr. and Stacy. This is Stacy 20, 30 years later.
What that's supposed to do?
After he was fat.
What that's supposed to do?
We gonna put this on. Now we gonna put this online right here.
It's online.
Yeah, and this big Stacy.
Oh, I got over. Come here, girl.
And this little Maddie Cake.
That stuff too hard.
This the new addition to the family right here.
No.
Oh yeah.
No, girl, you better get it right, get it tight. Say something. Say Merry Christmas, everybody. Tell everybody Merry Christmas. Say Merry Christmas, Bunky.
You're not gonna say nothing? Huh?
Say Merry Christmas, Bunky. She like her mama.
No.
Hey,
See what I'm talking about? See what I'm talking about?
come here.
All the way out here.
Hey.
We all the way out here in Valley, Alabama.
All right. We having a wonderful time.
They call him the king out here. I guess they call him the prince.
Trying to get him on board.
That's Stacy Jr.
Like she don't like a cake.
And that Linda Ray right there.
I know it. That's why she went there.
What is that? What church is this?
And Bunky.
Merry Christmas. I need something to drink tonight.
Where's the Bunky?
I can't get it.
What you gonna tell the people in Bunky?
How
Tell everybody in Bunky something.
y'all doing? Miss y'all. Love you. That's it.
I don't have anything. That's crazy.
What you gonna tell Nanny Jesse?
Hey, you got a lot to say.
I love you. Thank God for keeping me.
Everybody in Bunky, man. What about everybody else in Bunky? Everybody that
everybody.
wipe your butt out there in Bunky. Y'all remember this little bitty knucklehead? Okay, what you play, the
I'm coming
drums?
home soon, January.
You play the keyboard or you play the
I play the bass,
or the drums at the church?
organ, everything.
At what church? Christian? You play the Salem or Christian? I thought you had played when you was at Bunky.
I'm a Salem night.
Y'all don't know who this monster is right there.
Hey, when you say that, hey, always raise your hand, signal for victory. Now, who am I supposed to be talking to?
Everybody in Bunky.
Hey, what's up with y'all, Bunky? I love you guys. I'm here, better than ever, just like my dad told me. Hopefully, I get to see y'all sometime soon in the future, and hopefully, I have the time to do it. Holla. I'm coming to Bunky soon, January. Look for me.
Oh, bring it back over here. And all you young boys out there that hollering about got them patents on your last name, I want to holler at you. I want to see if you holding up the code. Holla. Good sleep.
That's Mama dear.
I bought her that 4-wheeler. She don't even drive it. They can't find the charger. They want the charger. I bought her that.
Yeah, that's gonna say you're never.
Maddie, how old are you?
She's had it, never.
You 2?
You're not 2, Mom. You trying
3. Throw up the threes. Throw up the 3. Throw up the 3 like I said. Don't you touch the fireplace.
Yeah, I could go. That's what I could mind.
Well, this how we do it out here in Valley, Alabama, y'all. If y'all ever in the neighborhood, come holler at these folks right here.
Bread and stuff like that. Bread and
White bread or wheat bread?
anything fly.
Anything.
Linda Ray.
Think about it. My friend,
This my baby right here. She done got dressed up for Christmas already. This Christmas Eve, baby. Who told you to go get your outfit? You just got a hold of it. Come on. Let's see. And fix it up on you. Try it again.
Just get around and do them rags.
Come here, baby.
Come on this way, man.
look, Mom, I done got around these Alabama folk long enough.
Don't let put up clean clothes
We don't
on
do
like
it. That's one thing we don't play.
Hair come down. Just
Go ahead, smile.
Round the feet.
You got your Christmas clothes on? Baby, you got your Christmas clothes on. Come on.
As if it's gonna stand there.
Come on, show mama.
Oh, ain't that pretty? All right, Mom, go put some socks
You like your clothes? You ready to go? You want to step out? You want to step out? You want to step out? You want a cup? What, you want, some candy? What you want?